Hey, I'm Ellie.
And Sam.
And I'm Isaac. And we'll be teaching you how to make slime just like the one shown in the video. This particular slime is simple, easy, and only 3 ingredients. The only materials you'll need for this slime making are Elmer's glue, Renu contact solution, and baking soda. The links for these ingredients can be found in the description. The ratios required for this slime making are 1 cup of glue, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. First, add the glue into a cup. I recommend non-reusable cups as they are much easier to clean afterward.
So long. And I don't mind glue on my fingers.
That's fine.
I've had worse.
Next, add the contact lens solution and stir vigorously.
Why do you guys like slime?
Because it's fun.
What's fun about
it
it?
makes your hands feel cool and fun.
What do you do with the slime when you make it?
Play with it.
Yeah, that's basically the whole point of slime.
Finally, add the baking soda. Stir until the mixture has mostly separated from the walls of the container. Then take it out and knead it until it is smooth like slime.
Fun.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
Sammy?
9 and 9/10.
Well, sounds like it.
But sometimes 10.
This slime,
Try this.
I get to pick what's in it.
What's fun about that?
That you don't have to pick out, you don't have to pick out all the slime. Because they have so many good slimes. But this slime I can just make whatever I want on it. Because I make it. I invent it. I would let Sam go in.
You can also use food coloring to change the color of the slime.
But I like that. I'm going to grab 2 drops of yellow.
2 drops of yellow?
So it's like 2 drops of yellow and a
I'm
tiny...
going to have 1 drop of green. Actually, 1 drop.
Careful, it can get on your hands.
I don't care.
1 drop
And then a
of
tiny...
green and 1 drop of blue. Actually, 1 drop of green.
This looks like a peach. Wait.
You can use different types of glue to change the color and consistency of your slime. In this instance, we're using glow-in-the-dark glitter glue. You can also add the glitter manually.
Ice on top.
I
Yeah.
made it into a donut. His house is yellow.
And this is one good way to mix it. You put it flat, fold.
Sometimes we actually have some.
You seem really into your slime, Sam. What do you like about it?
So this type of slime, it can really be good to use. It can even be used to mop the floor. But don't do that. Like, follow, and subscribe.